Next, in this container, one of the scariest, most disgusting creatures on Earth in my books, but also important detritivores in ecosystems. Earthworms. Yuck. Oh man, I'm so worm-phobic. It's not even funny, nor does it even make sense, as they're harmless. It slithered like a disgusting organ out of sight, thank goodness. I dropped several of these huge earthworms around Pandora, and they instantly burrowed into the ground. Go forth and consume organic material in Pandora, you dreadful creatures of the soil abyss. Their waste would also be excellent fertilizer for all the plants. But, ugh, they give me the heebie-jeebies.